Alright, so here we have the latest PS5 disc edition and we will be unboxing the same today. We pre-ordered this on 26th of August from Vijay Sales, and apparently after trying pre-orders for a couple of months and getting rejected, I luckily got my hands on this one this time. Although it was only a couple of seconds, but I managed to get it through. So let's see what we have inside the box. My cameraman can come a little closer to see what's inside the box. Inside the box there is the Sony official booklet and the bill. Now this is, I guess, is in my name. I'll put that aside. Oh, there's a lot of packaging here. And right from the go, we've got the new controller, the dual let's put this aside. We've got the power cord. We are in India, so we've got the Indian 2-pin plug. We've got some booklets which we can put aside. Oh, we've got the standard stand for the PS5. And this is, I assume, this is the one that everybody's been talking about. This is the original screw, which you need a screwdriver to use. So this is not the newer version with the smaller heatsink and the high-speed HDMI cable everyone has been talking about. So we also have the charging Type-C USB cable. Let's see, what do we have underneath this? Underneath this is the humongous PS5 console. I do not want to break it while taking it out. So, here we go. Let's put all this aside. Get a look at the console itself. Thank you, Sony, for delivering, and thank you, Vijay Sales, for delivering the product right on time. And that's our beauty, the Sony PS5 disc edition. And thanks. We will be unboxing more stuff soon, and we will see you all very, very soon. Thank you.